A single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, and here's why that matters more than you think. Imagine the sheer force of that sneeze, propelling thousands of tiny droplets at lightning speed through the air. Each droplet is a potential carrier of viruses or bacteria, capable of spreading illness in mere seconds. In crowded places, this means a single sneeze can turn a harmless cough into a public health concern, affecting everyone within its reach. Understanding the speed and spread of a sneeze highlights the importance of covering your mouth and maintaining good hygiene practices, especially during flu season or pandemics. This tiny action can prevent a chain reaction of infections, keeping communities safer and healthier.